Hello, friend, my beautiful people, my fellow subscribers. Welcome back to my kitchen, my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing with you 10 of my plus bonus of my favorite kitchen tips that make my cooking easier, funnier, and smoother. Let's go with the tip number one. Tip number one is wrapping your greens in your freezer bag. If you're going to put your green vegetables in the fridge, please put them in your freezer bag or fridge box, and put under the paper towel, and above put another paper towel and put in the fridge. Your greens.
All things I couldn't say. May it hold you as you are and meet you where you stand. May it wash away the hurt of what we cannot understand.
Tips number 2. Put your carrot in water before putting them in the fridge. Wash your carrot, then put in your fridge box. Put the water until the top of your carrot, then cover, put in your fridge. It can last up to 2 weeks without any problems. Tip number 3 is clean as you go. I know it's totally and sometimes annoying and guilt of not doing this, of not cleaning. If you don't clean your kitchen as you are walking, you come and you see your kitchen like a mess. But if you clean as you finish cutting, finish something in your kitchen, that it make your cooking easy and it is stress-free. Your kitchen cannot give you a stress if you clean as you go. Tip number 4, grow your own mushrooms. As you are seeing in the video, I eat my own grown mushrooms. It is easier if you have where to find those. I don't know how to call it in English, but those, let me say, mushroom seeds. If I have to find those mushroom seeds, and you need to have a very aerated room, not outside. Inside, a well aerated room is enough for growing your own mushrooms, and you will have your protein. Your kitchen will be full of protein.
We're both from different places, and it's hard to say.
Tip number 5. Prepare everything before starting cooking. Chop everything, your vegetables, chop it. Prepare your saucepans, open your cans. If you have tomato paste can, open them. that will make your cooking easier, because you have one hand, one arm to work. If you are stirring in the saucepan, and you will remember that there is something that is not well prepared, that is not very good. As you can see, I'm going to cook mushroom soup. I have prepared everything: peanut, garlic, tomato paste, and my spinach. I don't like to cook without any vegetable. Have to cook a health meal. You have to balance all things. Tip number 6: use butter and olive oil together. That is a flavor bomb. Use your cooking oil, combine it with butter. It will make your meal flavorful. Let's say flavorful. It is a flavor bomb that you are making in your kitchen.
Got me feeling like a young boy, yeah. Got me feeling like a young boy. I wanna know how you do it, yeah. Making me feel like I don't need to brush with it. Body look like music. She know how to use it, yeah. I wanna know how you do it. Making me feel like I don't need to brush with it. Body look like music. She know how to use it.
My hands are shaking, my mouth is dry. My thoughts are racing, my tongue is tied. Your eyes are haunted, your voice is low. Stoic and flawlessly in control. You can be honest with me now. Promise that I won't say a word. 'Cause your truth is buried deep below. You can May you find your river. May
Taste as you go. That is the tip number 7. It is the only way to know if your seasoning is just right or if something if something is off and needs to be fixed. That is the only way we know how your meal is going, your cooking is going.
couldn't say. May it hold you as you are and meet you where you stand. May it wash away the hurt of what we cannot understand. Maps we drew with our own hands, follow the stars stretched out across the land. You wrap your arms around me as I sleep. So many nights I couldn't breathe. May someone hold you as you are and meet you where you stand. May they wash away the hurt of what we cannot understand. And while the seasons never stay, this is
Tip number 8. The important one in these kitchen tips is pray before eating. Pray before eating. Thank God, thank the Almighty for everything He has done in your life, for the life He gave us, for everything. We have to thank Him before anything. Tips number 9. Tips number 9 is for someone who hate to peel the garlic. It is not easy. If you peel many garlic, your finger can be itchy somehow. But if you are someone who don't like to peel garlic, you can buy pre-peeled garlic. Don't buy pre-minced garlic, buy pre-peeled garlic, and you have to use it immediately. Don't peel garlic and use it another day. Peel it and use it. I will show you in the next video how you can preserve your garlic and use it to a year without any problem. Tip number 10, make your blender your best friend. Blender, if you are kitchen lover, if you are someone who is addicted to cooking, to kitchen, make your blender your best friend, because it help you, it make your cooking very easier, very fun. Chop everything. You can buy vegetable cutter, vegetable blender, your blender, or you can buy someone who can do it in. You can buy many in one. You have two in one, you have all in one. You can buy it and make your cooking, your kitchen life easier. The bonus I promised you to tell is, when your soup is very salty, when you put on more salt in your soup, please take your Irish potato and peel it, cut it into small pieces and put it in your soup, and after some time, some minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, remove those potatoes, and your soup, your soup will be not tasty, not salty. Thank you. That is my kitchen wisdom I'm sharing with you. If you have some tips, some kitchen wisdom, please share, and let's learn together. Share with us in the comment, and don't forget to tell us the favorite tips that you are showing here. Your favorite tips in this one we are finished to tell you. And please don't please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button next to subscribe button. Ciao ciao. See you in the next video. Bye bye.